This is a little rat, that's all I can say. Taking him out for a walk here. About every plant or mailbox or corner of a curb, he has to mark it like he's king of this neighborhood. This is my spot. It all belongs to me. No other dog owns any of this. This is AJ, named after, I guess he was named after that quarterback AJ McCarron that played at Alabama. And up the street we have the barking dogs when you walk by. What do you smell, AJ? Got to smell everything, don't you? Mark your scent on it. There you go. So I'm driving along here in the first little bit of cool weather we've had. I just left the dentist and my mouth is like not feeling good at all. But anyway, all week what I'm doing is babysitting my brother and sister-in-law's little dog, a little Yorkshire Terrier. And I'm in my third day now, I guess, and it's really been a trip. It's a good little old dog, but I tell you, that is a 24/7 like deal. It's worse than having a kid, I think. People say having a pet is like having a kid. I don't know. I think a kid would be easier to deal with. This little dog needs 24/7 attention. And I'm sure it's going through some changes by its owners being gone on a trip. They've taken a week-long boat trip. It's a Disney thing with children and grandchildren. So this has been quite an experience. So I'm going to let you know a little bit about this dog. I mean, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of a fuzzy rat. But anyway, stick with me here a minute. Those little short legs get after you. Little Yorkshire Terrier is a fluffy little rat. Smell it, sniff it. Then pee on it. Uh-oh, got distracted, didn't he? How you doing? Now you're gonna make me clean that up. Okay. Now I've got this little pouch, and inside this little pouch, which is hooked to the leash, are some little plastic bags. So, watch this. So we have this little plastic bag, and we have to pick up the doo-doo and put it in the little plastic bag. And I guess that's a big deal with the neighbors around here. I got some instructions about that. As everyone knows, is a paper towel. I've learned yesterday to carry a paper towel because when you're out here with just these plastic bags, you wonder to yourself, well, how am I going to get this project done? So today I brought some paper towels, And I'll tie this up and be all tidy, and I'll walk around the neighborhood with this bag of doo-doo in my hand. So that's what that project's all about. So here we are, doo-doo, leash, and dog peeing on everything. And I mean everything. So I leave the house with 2 paper towels, thinking that'd be 1 too many. And the dog decides it needs to take 2 dumps. And I've done told it no more dumps today. You can thank your market anything you want, but no more dumps today. Okay, come on, we're heading toward the house. I'm out of paper towels. The dog stands and stares at me like that constantly. I don't know what it wants. There, I started talking, so it walks over to me. What is the matter with you, buddy? What's the matter with you? I pet you and I feed you and I do everything else. What can I do? I don't speak dog. You need 24/7 attention. 24/7. So, how you doing there, buddy? Let's take the dog on the Cahaba River Trail. Length 0.3 mile. Part of the Cahaba Blueway. What do you think about that, buddy? What do you think about that? There'll be plenty of stuff for you to smell down here. Smell and pee on. I used to come down here and hike this trail years ago when there wasn't hardly even a trail. It was like more like a deer path. And now they've, of course, put up you can't do this and can't do that signs, and put in some real nice trash can holders. And if you're not with a super energetic dog, I guess there are a couple of picnic tables to sit down and maybe bring your burger or the ham sandwich you packed. Anyway, I've always loved this Cahaba River. I know I've said that in several other videos. Okay, we're coming, dog. Have a little patience. We're trying to enjoy the day, not rush through it. That's right, pee on everything you can find. Well, that one didn't get enough pee. Let's give it some more. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. You're not going to get any more? Wow.